Hey everyone, it's Tim Holtz, and today I'm so excited to announce the introduction of 4 new distress accessory products from Ranger. Now I'm going to do a little snippet video of each one and kind of show you its features and benefits, but let me give you an overall introduction. First we have the new Distress DIY, Distress It Yourself ink pad, Distress Microglaze, we have a Distress Sprayer, and Distress Refresher. And all 4 of these products are really going to change your whole world of distress because they work with all the distress products. Let's take a look. Alright, so I'm excited to introduce you to the Distress Sprayer. Now, really what I love about this is sold as an empty spray bottle that is designed to be filled simply with water. That's really what it's designed for. That's what I fill it with. And what's unique about this are some of the features that I've wanted in a sprayer. So before I really show you this, I'm just going to talk about some backgrounds. I'm just going to work as I normally would and quickly ink a tag just using my blending tool. Just going to add some color. Now I wanted to do a sprayer like this because as I've taught so many different classes and when I demo and do creative chemistry and I do techniques on my blog, I get a lot of people asking about some of the water effects I'm able to achieve on the background. And because I've been distressing for so long, I can pretty much take a lot of different types of spray bottles and manipulate the spray pattern to get it to work. But I've come to realize that it's easier for me, but not so easy for a lot of other people. So I've been on kind of this quest to find the perfect spray bottle, and I believe that we have. So just going to get some ink on there. Just want to blend some colors just so you can see some of the effects that this sprayer is going to have. So that's what we have. We've got an ink tag. Pretty simple, right? Well, here's some of the features of the Distress Sprayer. So you fill it with water. One of my favorite things is on the neck of this bottle right here, and I'm going to try to hold this side. There's a switch here that's going to toggle back and forth. That is a lock. So it's actually labeled, so where it says lock, that means this sprayer is locked. It's not going to squeeze. So if I'm traveling, I put it in a bag, I do something, it's not going to misfire and get things everywhere. So I can lock it when I'm not using it. If I'm hanging it up, any of that, I don't have to worry about when I pick it up that I'm going to spray water. So when I'm ready to use it, I simply push the button and that's going to unlock it. Now, when I go to spray it, it's going to be a great all-over spray. So I'll just show you just on the craft sheet. You can just hear it. It's just wonderful mist. So if I'm working on a large area now, so I want to work on, say, a canvas or an art journal, I'm able to really get a lot of water distributed evenly instead of creating these bursts. And what's also important for this is I wanted a bottle that's going to hold more water. Most of our spray bottles only hold 2 ounces of water, or the mini mister even less. This is going to be 4 ounces, so it's going to give me plenty of water to work with, right? But here is really the most important thing. Let me clean off that water to put that in. One of the things I love is to create a splatter effect. So to do that with this, all you need to do now is you're just going to squeeze the trigger just halfway, and look at what we get. We get those wonderful drips and drops that so many people say, gosh, how do you do that? And I normally say, oh, you hold the neck sideways and you just kind of a little pressure. Now it's easy. You just squeeze the trigger halfway down, and every time I do that, it's just going to give me these great little droplets of water on my background. Just going to dry that with a heat tool. I'll go in, blot off some of the excess. So now when you see these really cool kind of water patterns on the ink, the Distress Sprayer just makes it easy as that. So I can go with an all-over full mist, or just pulling the trigger halfway. I'm going to get those great little drips, and when I'm finished, lock it up, set it aside, we'll dry this. So you can see that something just that seems pretty simple, pretty common as a spray bottle. Well, now that we have the perfect Distress Sprayer, I think you're going to love it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell to turn on notifications.